If there is one thing that none of us must never fail to catch, is the consequence of money. While money may not be everything, but it does affect our lives considerably. So I suppose that money is very important. I get so fazed when I hear people trivializing the subject of money. Money is not only a media of exchange, but also a store of value. And for that reason, money needs to be taken very seriously. It must never be trivialized or wasted. If you want to get your finances right, start by defining your money right. Stimulate the idea that money brings more value when it is put to good use. Be in control of your money. The definition you attach to money will supply you with a one-to-one outcome. So if you believe that money is to be spent and only provide pleasure for you, then you will never get to a point that you use money to invest or even create wealth. And if you say money is nothing, believe me, that is exactly what you are going to get out of your money, nothing. I hear some people use this crazy line, pesa or tas, meaning money is papers. If you are in this bandwagon, you will always throw your money senselessly, just the same way you will do with papers. It is only when you deliberately understand the value aspect of money that you begin to deploy it diligently. Work at creating financial stability and financial security for yourself. Become actively aware of the opportunities and possibilities that money can yield. Focus on the bigger picture, even in the day-to-day dealings. Be keen enough to understand that money affects all aspects of our lives. For instance, money affects the quality of life one lives. Whether or not one lives in dignity depends on how much money one has or how much money one lacks. Money is a powerful resource and it is the benchmark for success. And that is a fact. But I must say, what moves me the most about money is never riches or luxuries, but the fact that money is the wellspring of dignity. Dignity is the most important thing to me. And the world will be a better place if everybody lived in dignity. So use your money to cement your dignity, because dignity must not be something brief and uncertain. It should be something solid and lasting. Money is a socio-economic commodity. It affects our lives and who we are immensely. So when we refer to people as rich, affluent, and wealthy, or poor, broke, and cheap, that becomes an identity circumstance. The social classes, the income brackets, all those are identity indicators. So let us work at elevating our value. Why should we get stuck at being broke while we can change the description? In my line of work, I have observed that money affects relationships as well. People who are at peace with money are better placed to have healthier relationships than those who constantly struggle with financial constraints. I'm talking about people who have understood the value aspect of money. People who live within their means, they have a plan and goals. People who use money as a tool to fulfill their purpose. And at the same time, they live their current lives the best way possible. Define your money right and take it seriously. Just as a farmer will take his seeds. A farmer knows that without the seeds, there can be no harvest. So in essence, money is like a seed for our dignity, our identity, and relationships. Make good use of it. Thank you very much for your time. Keep watching Money Minded Frontier, subscribe, and we would love to hear from you.